Hey guys, welcome back to John Junkies, and today we are just doing a little bit on the upholstery in our trailer. Jesse's been home today, ripping it apart, getting it ready to send out. So let's just take a quick look and see what he's done. So issues we're having with the upholstery is it has kind of looked like it's been sun rot through the windows. It's starting to crack and it's starting to peel and flake off from the I guess the backing of itself. And so we are just gonna get all new, fresh upholstery, and then we won't have to worry about having to take care of being really careful sitting on the couches. All right, so it is sweltering in here, pulling out all the furniture, but we got it done, and you can see we are a clean slate. All we have left is the framework here. Clear over here even. And we also got looking at the carpet, and we're like, oh my gosh, there is like something, rust or grease or something, which is surprising because that was under the cushion. And then we also got looking over here, the original carpet and the heavily trafficked carpet. So we are going to look into possibly getting new carpet now. So that is the joy of doing remodeling. You see one thing leads to the next thing and it just keeps going. So we're just gonna maybe check out some prices, see what it's gonna be to get new carpeting in here, and yeah, go from there. We'll keep you in touch on what we decide. So we've got the majority of the furniture out, and Jesse is still working on getting the hideaway bed unassembled. But you can definitely tell it's seen better days. Hey guys, welcome back to John Junkies. Today we are getting ready to install our upholstery. It has been sitting in our garage for a little bit of time. We've been waiting for the last piece to come, and we have it. And so hopefully Jesse can remember where I put all the nuts and bolts to assemble. Yeah, so if you have noticed, we haven't been doing a lot of travel lately. This is why we've been waiting on our pieces to come back. So stay tuned with the chaos and us installing all these pieces back together. So one of the things we had to do on one of our pieces was put on new casters. One of them had fallen off and it was getting a little difficult to move around. It works as a really good storage bin as well as an ottoman. So Jess is just working on that, as you can hear in the background. Alright, we are back at it, day 2. It got really dark last night and got kind of difficult to see things. So we're just gonna get back at it again.
As we're putting this together the other night, one of these lags right here is stripped out and it's just pressing through whenever I try to put the bolt in. So I am going to try to either push it in all the way or fish it out and replace it with one of these little guys. That way, just hammer it right in there and should be good to go. So that's the next step in this process, and hopefully I can remember how the rest of it goes together. So one more thing. All right.
So a few things we are running into while putting this furniture back together is all of our holes are covered up with new upholstery. So the fun part is trying to find those and where they go. And so yeah, Jesse's having that adventure right now.
All right, we got the back couch all put together, and Kara is just going to slide the ottoman in. Ka-chow. All done. So much better.
So we are down to these few pieces here and a pile of screws. We're trying to figure out kind of where the leather pieces go. We have an idea as to where those go, but the actual wood pieces, we're still kind of baffled. Alright guys, there you have it. We've got our upholstery back in, all in place, and it looks great. We love it. We love it. We love how we did the two-tone colors, the light and the dark. It's a very nice contrast. I especially like the darker stitching that we did. It gives the couches some more detail to them, and you actually notice, you know, those kind of things a little bit better. They stand out more. The dark color looks almost maroon in the footage, so I did try to put up a little close-up for you guys to see the color with it. You can definitely tell it's a big change as to the old and the new, just how polished the new looks. There's not any of the flaking and peeling and sun rot, and it just looks so good and fresh. As for the carpet, we did not get that project done. Maybe a little later this winter when we are not doing so much traveling and stuck home for the winter. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video watching us do this project. You can check out more of ours that we've done here in the RV. Yeah, so definitely leave us some comments, what you think, what you like, you know, if you like the two-tone, if not. You know what, and thank you for watching here at Junk Junkies, and enjoy your weekend.